Hey, this is the DIY Magician. We're here with another discount tool review. That's right, Dollar Tree Precision Tool Set. Well, I guess it's just a screwdriver set. Hang on. All right, we've got the toolkit here. This is a precision screwdriver set, and it comes in a little box. It has a little hanging thing, I guess, to hang it at the store, but you could also hang it on your pegboard, and it's got a nice visible spot there. Let's read the instructions. Okay. It says that it's imported and all that good stuff. We got all that from before. We do that every time. Let's see. It is one slotted 1/16 inch or 1.6 millimeter, one 5/64 or 2 millimeters, a 3/32 inch or 2.4 millimeters. Now it has 3 of the Phillips head. And there's a 1/16, same thing, 1.6 millimeter, 5/64, 2.0, and a 3/32, 2.4. Now, it is slip sleeved, so this is just a piece of paper taped on. Undo that, and you've got your box here, okay? They are not locked into place, but they are very tiny. They're smooth handled. There's a little bit of like a slotting right there, so you can actually grab a hold of it. The end is it does spin, but if you put your hand on it too close, it's like a little almost like a little drill bit. So you want to be sure that you don't get too carried away and get your skin on that. But they're very tiny. What I'm going to do is use the largest Phillips, which is this one here, and we'll see if it works with this disk drive. Okay, here we go. That's it. Look at that. Just like you'd expect, it will actually remove a screw, a delicate screw, one of the small screws, just like that. Now there's another one, there's a gold screw there. I'm going to go ahead and try that one as well. This is a little different screw. Let's see here. Well, I'll tell you what. There's enough of size in this to actually get those screws out. I've used those ones that you can use for the eyeglasses. They don't work as well, okay? This one seems to work. I don't have something to use the slotted screwdriver for, but I'll tell you what, it does look like it will work pretty well. Let me get this back down here. And I want to, no, some of them are stuck, some of them are not. I guess they're not all, okay, they're all loose. So I guess that's that. But there it is. It even shows you on the back of the liner what size you're dealing with. And the case snaps shut. So, you know what? I think this is worth $1. This is great because you can actually even put it in your pocket here if you needed to, if you had a pocket big enough to put it in. But you get the idea. It'll fit in a pocket. It'll hang from your pegboard. It'll just get thrown in your toolkit for when you're going and doing intricate stuff. Worth $1. Dollar Tree Precision Screwdriver Set. Another discount tool review from the DIY Magician. Now, thank you very much for coming back. If you've been with us before, that's my Clark Kent moment there. And for those of you who have not been with us before, please, please, please subscribe, and you'll get all the videos as they come out before they even go to Facebook. Not Facebook, yeah, Facebook. There you go. Thank you very much. We'll see you next time.